Check out this amazing oil painting. Yeah, friend. We all heard you. Lovely night for a date, huh? Hey. Yes, you? What are you looking at? Careful, kitty. The car is a bit slippery. How many more boars are gonna come out? Yes. Yes. As long as I'm fast enough, you won't see me. Someone is lost in the forest. Someone is having a pool party. Hi, squirrel. What's that under your body? I can almost smell that wind. So refreshing. There must be something valuable underneath. This hen looks pretty relaxed after laying her egg. This turtle's just sunbathing its upper body.